Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to discuss the Polkadot cryptocurrency. What is Polkadot? This unique cryptocurrency expands on the functionality of Bitcoin and Ethereum, with the goal of building a decentralized internet. Polkadot Crypto is a next-gen, cutting-edge blockchain protocol that brings together numerous blockchains to work as one, unified network. Just like Ethereum, it is a blockchain-powered network, but more scalable. The central chain ensures the security of the entire network. Polkadot is more than a single blockchain, it's an ecosystem of connected blockchains. The central chain, known as the relay chain, provides security for the entire network. And the side chains, known as parachains, increase the network's capacity. Notably, each of these parachains is its own blockchain, and each can be optimized for a specific purpose, just like Ethereum is optimized for smart contracts. But other examples include blockchains built for file storage, financial services, communication, or supply chain transparency. The aim of Polkadot cryptocurrency is to eliminate the slow communication process between public and private blockchains. The difference between Polkadot and Bitcoin is that Polkadot is a proof-of-stake network, while Bitcoin is a proof-of-work network. This implies that if you wish to earn Polkadot coins on the blockchain, you need to hold a specific amount of Polkadot and stake it. Essentially, a user will be rewarded for staking Polkadot, in return for risking their holdings to assist with network validation. Why invest in Polkadot? In 2020, Polkadot crypto was one of the most profitable and most trusted cryptocurrencies. Polkadot has acquired a top cryptocurrency position in a very short space of time. Polkadot's parachains enable fast processing of transactions in parallel, relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum. These parachains are able to process 1 million transactions per second. With such great prospects, some investors are moving away from Bitcoin and Ethereum and investing in Polkadot, given the faster transaction processing speed. Should you invest in Polkadot now? Yes, definitely. 2021 is the right time to invest in Polkadot. Polkadot is steadily growing and further expected to grow as more blockchain networks evolve. The development team behind this digital currency has an ambitious vision. If it succeeds in building the foundation of a new internet, Polkadot could be a long-term winner. For more money and crypto talks, please follow my YouTube channel.